Hello guys, another live session trading binary option with the buy now digital strategy. The buy now digital strategy course is in the link in the description of this video. You will find full explanation of the strategy I'm using in this video and using all my videos in this channel. You can learn this strategy from the course or from the book. I prefer the course, of course. You can learn the strategy step by step, all the indicators, all the money management methods used in this strategy. Yeah, and guys, I just want to announce to those who've been complaining about being scammed, we are sorry if you didn't buy the course or the book from our website, thebuynowigital.com. We are sorry, you will be scammed. There is tens of fake books with the name of buy now digital strategy. Their scammers will sell you this fake books, and you will think that it's the buy now digital strategy. We are sorry, that's not the buy now digital strategy. A lot of scammers out there acting like they have the book and the course. They will sell you a fake book and fake course. Be careful, guys. If you do and buy our product anywhere else other than our website, it's on your responsibility and it's on your risk. Please don't buy it anywhere else. And if you do, don't come complain to us. We are responsible only for the products that are in the book. In the link in the description below, thebuynowigital.com. That's the only place where you can buy the course and the book. Go ahead, purchase the book, purchase the course, learn this strategy, practice, and you need to practice a lot on demo account. You will understand it. It's fully explained and detailed in the course. Just keep practicing. You will reach this this advanced level I'm using in this videos. And yeah, and be careful with the withdrawal. Be careful with the withdrawal. If you withdraw more than 100% of your balance or of your previous deposit, they will suspend your account. Don't, if you, for example, last time you deposit $10, don't withdraw more than $20, maximum $20. I prefer something like $18 or $15. If you deposit $1,000, don't withdraw more than $2,000. That's the principle. Never withdraw more than 100% of your previous deposit. Yeah, I guess that's all. Be careful. I just wanted to tell our customers, our students, be careful. Don't buy the course or the book somewhere else. There's a lot of fake books similar to the buy now digital. Scammers are using this method to scam you guys. Please don't fall into this scam. Be careful. And good luck for our students. There's really some students are making good profit with our buy now digital strategy. Others are still learning. And yeah, good luck.